y'all? It's me, Bryson, with another video. So, you know how Mario and Luigi have fireball powers? Well, we're making our own fireball powers at home with these tennis balls. Stay tuned. As you guys know, I have my dad behind the camera over there.
Hello.
So don't try this without an adult. It's not safe. So before my dad comes behind the camera, we have boric acid, heat antifreeze for a little bit of flame, and a tennis ball, and a mixing cup. So we have a lot of things. Oh, also if you want to make red fire, we also have lithium batteries and an arc lighter to light it up.
Okay, guys, we're gonna first pour a little bit of the boric acid, right?
Right.
Okay. Again, you should always try this with an adult
Adult.
involved.
Yeah,
Don't put your
we
nose
need more
closer
than
to
that,
it.
Dad.
Don't put your nose close to it, okay?
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
Yeah, we got the big guns.
Okay.
Now we're gonna need a little bit of heat antifreeze.
I got it. This is the way to open it. This is kids proof.
All right.
Don't try this at home.
Now without a grown-up. Now we're gonna pour a little bit of that in there.
Okay, that's good.
Should be good. Now, here comes the...
Don't lean, don't lean, don't lean.
Sorry. Here comes the hard part. Mixing it together. Use a little bit of a mixer if you have to. Alright, now we gotta get our tennis balls. Should I put it in?
Yes. Just move it around. Just gentle, gentle, gentle. Gently soak it in. I don't know if we put enough in it, but
Alright, that should be good.
I don't think we put enough in there.
I think we need more powder.
Yes, we'll just add a little bit more of this here. And let me see, let me stir it up a little bit more. Stir it up a little bit more. All right, let's try that again.
Alright, we got enough.
We do? Good. All right, so now we are going to...
Light it up.
Not yet. What do we need?
A lighter.
And what else for protection?
Gloves.
That's right.
Let me get them.
No, I'll get them.
Alright guys, so we got a little bit of fireproof gloves and we're about to try this out.
And it's the moment of what?
It's the moment of truth.
Let's get it going.
Yeah.
All right. Wait, let me put my gloves on. My glove on. Okay. All right. Light it. No, just light it.
3, 2, 1. Hold on. 3, 2, 1. I can't do
That's
it.
okay. It's kids proof.
Give me the glove, give me the glove.
Don't throw it. Guys, look. Look at
Green
that.
fire!
It's green. Okay, no, don't give it to me. Look at that.
My hands are on fire. My hands are on fire.
Close it. Look at that. Okay, now what we do here is
3.
boom. Look at that.
And it goes out. Oh my god!
Whoa.
It just did fire!
Don't try this.
Don't. No. Don't
You
try
should
it.
always
at
have
home.
a grown up to
Always
try
have a grown up. This is so cool. Alright guys, we're outside. We're about to do it again. Now it's nighttime, so we don't have to turn off the lights. It's gonna be so cool. Alright guys, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh my god. Look at it.
Move it around. Move it on the other hand. And then close the other hand. Close the other hand. There you go.
So,
Okay. Hold it out. Move it on the other hand. Woo-hoo-hoo. Close the other hand. Out. Good job. job. Don't try this at home.
Don't try this at home.
There you go. You know how to do it. Now, shut it off. You know how to shut it off?